they encounter an eye from inside, like they are walking in the mountains. And then you can explain the situation to a patient, and the understanding is very intuitive. I could show the data in a VR arena and invite my friend from New York or from Paris and get advice from people who are much brighter than we are to the benefit of the patient. The patient doesn't feel anything, and it's extremely detailed. And for me, it's a recognition of sharing a passion for the beauty of the human body. And the hope is that we understand the disease much better by better imaging.